Welcome back to Ojet TV.
Today, we're walking through the iconic Shibuya crossing in Tokyo. And as you can see, it's a rainy day. Pero alam niyo, may kakaibang ganda ang Shibuya kapag umuulan. The atmosphere feels more relaxing, more cinematic, and somehow even more memorable. Habang naglalakad tayo, mapapansin ninyo ang daan-daang tao na may dalang payong crossing from every direction. The wet streets reflect the bright city lights, creating beautiful colors across the pavement. Para bang naging malaking canvas ang buong intersection. Isa ang Shibuya Crossing sa pinakasikat na pedestrian crossing sa mundo. Every day, thousands of people pass through this area. Pero kahit maraming tao, maayos pa rin ang daloy ng movement. Nakakamanghang panoorin kung paano sabay-sabay tumatawid ang lahat kapag nag-green ang ilaw. The sound of the rain adds something special to the experience. Sa halip na puro ingay ng lungsod,
Maririnig din natin ang banayad na patak ng ulan habang naglalakad.
it creates a calm feeling in the middle of one of Tokyo's busiest locations. Habang tumitingin tayo sa paligid, makikita natin ang malalaking digital screens, bright advertisements, at mga gusaling puno ng buhay. The reflections on the wet ground make everything look brighter and more vibrant. Mapapansin din ninyo ang maraming transparent umbrellas, which are very common in Japan. Simple man ang kanilang design, naging bahagi na sila ng everyday life dito. Kapag umuulan, halos lahat ay may dala nito. For many visitors, seeing Shibuya in the rain is actually a unique experience. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa pagtawid sa kalsada. It's about feeling the energy of the city while enjoying a different side of Tokyo. Kahit maulan, tuloy pa rin ang buhay. People are heading to work, meeting friends, shopping, or simply enjoying the city. Walang ganong nagrereklamo sa ulan. It's just another part of daily life. As we continue walking, take a moment to appreciate the atmosphere. Tingnan ang mga ilaw, pakinggan ang ulan,
At panoorin ang galaw ng mga tao sa paligid.
Sometimes these simple moments become the most memorable parts of a journey. The combination of rain, lights, and city energy makes Shibuya crossing one of the most fascinating places to experience in Tokyo. May kakaibang term ito na mahirap ipaliwanag hanggat hindi mo mismo nararanasan. Thank you for joining me on this rainy walk here at Shibuya Crossing.
Kung nagustuhan ninyo ang video na ito, please like, share.
And subscribe to Edjet TV for more walking tours and travel adventures around Japan. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, stay safe, and enjoy the journey. As we continue our walk around Shibuya, mapapansin natin na kahit tuloy-tuloy ang ulan, hindi nawawala ang sigla ng lugar. People keep moving, shops remain busy, and the city continues its rhythm without missing a beat. Sa bawat kanto, may makikita kang iba't ibang kwento. Some people are rushing to catch a train, while others are taking their time, enjoying the atmosphere despite the weather.
Ang ganitong eksena ang nagpapakita kung gaano ka-dynamic ang buhay sa Tokyo.
The rain also brings out details that are easy to miss on a sunny day.
Ang mga ilaw mula sa mga tindahan at billboards ay nagre-reflect sa basang kalsada.
Creating a colorful glow that stretches across the streets. It's a simple sight, but somehow very captivating. Habang naglalakad tayo, mararamdaman din natin ang malamig na hangin. Hindi man perfect ang panahon para sa ibang tao, pero para sa marami. This kind of weather makes the city feel more peaceful and relaxing.
Makikita rin natin ang mga cafe at restaurants na nagbibigay ng warm and cozy.
Feeling sa mga dumadaan. Through the windows, you can see people enjoying hot coffee, tea, or a warm meal while watching the rain outside. Nakakadagdag ito sa charm ng buong paligid. One thing I always appreciate about Japan is how organized everything feels, even during rainy days. Kahit maraming tao sa kalsada,
May respeto pa rin sa personal space at maayos pa rin ang flow ng pedestrians.
as we move further from the main crossing, Mapapansin natin na bawat street ay may sariling character. Some areas feel energetic and modern, while others have a quieter atmosphere.
Ito ang isa sa mga dahilan
Kung bakit maraming tao ang gustong bumalik sa Shibuya ng paulit-ulit.
The rain seems to slow things down, just enough for us to notice the small details.
Ang tunog ng mga yabag sa basang sidewalk,
Ang pagpatak ng ulan sa mga payong at ang glow ng city lights all come together to create a memorable experience. Minsan, ang pinakamagagandang
travel moments ay hindi yung may perfect weather o perfect plans.
sometimes it's simply about being present and enjoying whatever the day brings. Het niyong maulan na paglalakad sa Shibuya, yon mismo ang nararamdaman natin.
For visitors from around the world, Shibuya represents the energy of modern Tokyo. Pero kapag nakita
Mo ito sa ganitong panahon, makikita
mo rin ang softer side ng lungsod. Less about the crowds and more about the atmosphere. As our walk continues, take your time and enjoy the view. Observe the people, the lights, and the sound of the rain all around us.
These are the moments that make travel experiences truly special.
Thank you once again for walking with me today here in Shibuya. If you're enjoying this relaxing rainy walk, don't forget to support the channel by liking this video and subscribing to Ajet TV.
Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsama.
And let's continue exploring more amazing places together here in Japan. See you in the next adventure.